Have you ever wondered how computers can understand us, how they can interpret our voices and respond accurately, how your phone knows what you're typing before you finish? Or how it can suggest the next word in your sentence? That's artificial intelligence, or AI at work. AI is a branch of computer science that aims to create machines as smart as humans. AI is the ability of machines to think and learn like humans. It involves programming computers to process information, recognize patterns, and make decisions. It's like giving a computer a brain. This brain can analyze vast amounts of data and learn from it. AI is changing our world rapidly, and it's more important than ever to understand what it is and how it works. From smart homes to self-driving cars, AI is everywhere. AI is all about making machines smarter. By using algorithms and data, we can teach machines to perform tasks that typically require human intelligence. We teach computers to learn from data just like we learn from experiences. This process is known as machine learning. With enough data, AI can recognize patterns, make predictions, and even solve complex problems. It can help businesses make better decisions and improve efficiency. Imagine a computer that can diagnose diseases better than a doctor, or a car that drives itself. These are just a few examples of AI's potential. That's the power of AI. It's transforming industries and shaping the future in ways we never thought possible. AI comes in different flavors, each with its unique way of learning and processing information. One type is machine learning, where machines learn from data without being explicitly programmed. This means that instead of following a set of predefined instructions, the machine uses algorithms to analyze and learn from patterns in the data. It's like teaching a dog a new trick with treats and praise. Just as a dog learns to sit or fetch through repetition and rewards, a machine learning model improves its performance by being trained on large amounts of data. We feed the computer data, and it figures out the rules on its own. This process allows the machine to make predictions or decisions without human intervention based on the patterns it has learned. Then there's deep learning, a more advanced form of AI. Deep learning takes machine learning to the next level by using complex structures called neural networks. It uses artificial neural networks inspired by the human brain to process information in layers. Each layer of the network processes a different aspect of the data, allowing the system to understand and learn from very complex patterns. Think of it like this. If machine learning is a bicycle, deep learning is a spaceship. While a bicycle can get you from point A to point B, a spaceship can take you to the stars, handling much more complex and challenging tasks. It can handle much more complex tasks like understanding human language or recognizing objects in images. This makes deep learning incredibly powerful and versatile, capable of performing tasks that were once thought to be the exclusive domain of human intelligence. AI is everywhere. When you ask Siri a question or get movie recommendations on Netflix, that's AI in action. It's in our smartphones, cars, and even our homes. AI is helping doctors diagnose diseases earlier, making our cities smarter, and even composing music. Remember those self-driving cars we talked about? They use AI to navigate roads, avoid obstacles, and get you safely to your destination. AI is also transforming healthcare, helping doctors detect diseases like cancer earlier and develop new treatments. The possibilities are endless. Section 4, the ethical side of AI, a balancing act. With great power comes great responsibility. As AI becomes more powerful, it's important to use it ethically and responsibly. We need to make sure AI is fair, unbiased, and doesn't harm humans. For example, if an AI system is trained on biased data, it might make unfair decisions. Imagine an AI hiring tool that discriminates against certain groups of people. That's why it's crucial to develop AI systems that are transparent, accountable, and aligned with our values. Section 5. The future of AI, a world of possibilities. The future of AI is full of exciting possibilities. Imagine a world where AI seamlessly integrates into our daily lives, making everything more efficient and enjoyable. As AI continues to evolve, it has the potential to solve some of the world's biggest challenges, from healthcare to transportation. Researchers and scientists are tirelessly working on groundbreaking AI projects. Imagine AI-driven solutions tackling climate change, revolutionizing agriculture, and transforming urban living. These advancements can help us address critical issues like poverty and environmental sustainability. Picture a world where AI helps us create sustainable energy sources, cure diseases, and even explore the farthest reaches of the universe. The possibilities are truly endless. With AI, we can embark on new space missions, uncovering the mysteries of the cosmos and pushing the boundaries of human knowledge. AI is a powerful tool that can be used for good, enhancing our capabilities and assisting us in countless ways. From daily tasks to complex problem-solving, AI can be our ally. However, it's up to us to shape its future responsibly. Engaging in discussions about AI ethics and development is crucial to ensure it benefits everyone. So let's embrace the possibilities and work together to create a better future with AI. By collaborating and innovating, we can harness AI's potential for the greater good.